welcome back to my channel, and this is Millie here. So I went, I didn't go shopping, my husband went shopping, and I poked my long nose in and picked up a couple of things. They are not too many things, just 2 or 3 things, but definitely I'd like to share them with you. Before that, if you haven't checked out a huge makeup and skincare giveaway, go check it out. It's ongoing, it's going to go on for a while. It's a bundle giveaway, there are lots and lots of winners. So definitely check that out. H&M actually, and since F21 is a weakness, I made a small stop there and just picked up a couple of things, not too many. I picked up this long beautiful dress. Now this color is like, just look, this is such a lovely color. It's this beautiful nude color, and the fabric for once is not very thin, and you know, Forever 21 dresses can be really cheap. No doubt the price is cheap, but unfortunately some of the dresses are cheap as well. So this is a couple of notches up. I wouldn't say very great, but it's a couple of notches up. And how much was this for? This isn't too expensive. 1,200 bucks. Well, so that's that. It's just a plain, simple but beautiful nude colored dress. It's a rose, desert rose type of a color. I just love it. Along with that, I picked up a pair of, they've got these really neon-y, lovely socks in. So I thought this would be great for the gym. So it's such a pretty color. I hope the cameras make it's looking pink on camera, but it's like really hot pink in real life. And along with this, I picked up just a pair of hoop earrings. These are big silver hoop earrings because I really can't. I can't resist hoops. They are so simple and like so classic, and so hoop earrings like these. Just that. All right. Now I went to H&M, and the first thing I'll show you is what I'm wearing. It's this top. It's actually for the gym. This is gym wear. Run the day. They had some, H&M has some decent gym wear. If you're looking for any kind of workout clothes, even for just running, jogging pants, it's really good. So this is just a simple t-shirt. It's sleeveless, and it's like good for, like, you know, just wearing along with the jacket to the gym, or you know, if it's just for lounging around. I really like this. I like the silver thing. It's like really trendy and whitey. Oh, another thing I forgot to mention from Forever 21 is this bag. I've been looking for a gym bag, but I just can't seem to find something nice. So Forever had these. They are basically canvas bags, but they had this in denim as well. 3 colors: pink, white, and denim and red. All of them were like really nice. What I like is it's like really sturdy, because the gym you're going to carry shoes and you're going to carry so much stuff. So it's like so sturdy, and I love that it has compartments. Like, it's got one compartment here. The main one I think has got a couple inside. Yeah, it does. So this is really handy for keeping your phone. The big one can hold your shoes and stuff. And it's always a good idea to put small pouches with keys and stuff, so they don't get completely lost. Also, it's got side pockets. So the more pockets, the better. So you don't have to rummage through the entire bag looking for something. So this is really nice. It was for 2K, but it's worth it. This is not going to tear anytime soon. Alright, so back to H&M then. This little dress is all. That's it. That's probably the end of the haul. But just look at this dress. Just look at this. Isn't this so beautiful? You see it when it's worn. It's like so lovely. And I got this for a song. It was for, I think, 2K or I don't know what. But I got it for something like 1,100 or less. I'll have to check that, and of course, yeah, it was a 1799, but I got it for 1,000 bucks, so that's like 800 bucks off. Really nice. Oh yeah, there was some kind of a sale going on, and I picked this up from there. So if you can see the little sale thing, the design is so beautiful, and this dress is like so sexy. It has this cut up here. Where's it gone? There's a cut up here. It's a slit right up. The slit goes right up all the way to the thighs. I can't even find it now, but you'll see it. enjoyed it. You can check these things out. They're probably going to be on their sites online if they aren't already sold out. And that's about it. I'll be of course in touch with you guys, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.